Thank you. Another big story we're watching right now at noon. A major infusion of cash headed to a hospital that is critical to health care for thousands of families right here in Metro Atlanta.
Yeah, Governor Brian Kemp just announced the state is going to provide $130 million for Grady Memorial to expand their bed capacity. Now, Grady is, of course, going to be the city's only level 1 trauma center when Wellstar closes Atlanta Medical Center in a few weeks. CBS 46's Rachel Aragon is live for us outside of Grady Hospital with how this money is going to provide some relief. Rachel?
Yeah, right now it's certainly a race to expand hospital bed capacity given the fact that AMC is set to close in exactly a month and a half from today. Earlier we heard from Governor Kemp, who again announced that major cash infusion, $130 million payment would come, he says, from state allocated dollars. It would help stabilize Grady. In light of Atlanta Medical Center closure on November 1st, Grady, as we know, working to help fill the void from the thousands of patients who are currently being treated at Atlanta Medical Center. Today, the governor is saying Grady is already in the process of adding more than 40 beds by November 1st, and this new payment will add even more beds. The CEO of Grady Hospital speaking earlier this morning, saying they remain committed to serving this community, and he says they will be able to serve even more patients with this one-time cash infusion.
It is our intent to bring upwards of 185 additional beds online as quickly and as safely as possible. This investment, combined with Grady's short-term capacity plans and the state's provided field hospital, will allow Grady to provide patient care to those who have been left behind.
And earlier this morning, we also heard from the Fulton County Board of Commissioners chairman. He said they are still exploring the idea of building another hospital in the southern portion of that county. He said, though, it is far too early to give you a timeline as to when that happened. They're currently looking at different locations, but he did clarify it would not be at the current AMC site. Live in downtown Atlanta, Rachel Aragon, CBS 46 News.
All right, Rachel, thank you for that update.